This is 5 tricks you can learn in one day.
So the 5 tricks I'm showing you are fakie shove, fakie ollie, fakie frontside half cab, nollie shove, and fakie big spin.
Alright, so the first trick is a fakie shove. Alright, so foot positioning for this trick should look a bit like this, with your front foot behind the front bolts and your back foot a tiny bit over the end of the tail, but not too much. Alright, so this is probably the easiest trick on this list, and all you do is you roll fakie and do the smallest shove with your back foot. Alright, so when you first start trying to learn this trick, you want to land with your front foot first, and maybe do that like 10 times, and then once you feel good enough, you try land it with both your feet. Alright, so the second trick is a fakie ollie. Foot positioning for this trick is the exact same as an ollie, with your back foot on the centre of the tail and your front foot just behind the front bolts. First landing this trick, it's going to be quite scary to ollie rolling backwards, so go with a small amount of speed and just kind of pop the board, but don't land on it with both feet. Done that, you can start committing and putting both your feet on. Your first ones will probably be quite small fakie ollies, but you can build them up the more you practice. Third trick is a frontside half cab. Feet, they should look a bit like this, with your front foot, toes hanging off the edge, and your back foot in the pocket. For this trick, if you can do a frontside 180, it will help you a lot because you're just doing the same thing but going backwards. This trick is just swing your shoulders and then just pop like a normal ollie. Okay, so the next trick is a nollie shove it. So the foot position for this trick should look a bit like this, with your front foot in the pocket and your back foot toes hanging off the edge. Kind of just get the feel of it and just spin it around. With this trick, you don't want to pop it, you want to scoop, because if you pop, then this will happen. It will kind of go behind you and won't work as well as if you scoop it. Last trick is a fakie big spin. Your feet should look like this, basically like an ollie, but you're rolling backwards. First try this trick, don't try the full 360, just land like 270 and then you can just spin it more and more. If you enjoyed this video, if you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.